Hey guys, today we duplicate this image using HTML CSS. Here in this first place in this image, we seeing this line as a big look like a heading. Here we using the heading tag for this h3. Just copy this and here they use here seeing some paragraph like thing content. So we can use here paragraph tag. Just copy that and here again we seeing some heading tag. So we use heading h3 for this. And we see some list like thing, so we use here another list to make a list like thing, just using dual inside the list. We can do this for all these items. I did this part in off screen. We check the output for this. Yeah, the output look like this. Here we see some dotted line, dotted things containing list. To remove this, we just use here style, list style, none. Just save this and refresh this file. Yeah, here it moves. The dotted lines are gone. Next, we have to create this button. For this button, we just use button tag btn. In this button, we have to copy this item. Oh, we're just creating inside the list. I have to again copy this. Now just check output. Yeah, the button is shown here. In this part, we have some two dividing section. Here we're using division part and using flex to showing partially side by side the two divisions. So we're creating div for this. So let's do. Yeah, we have created another div for this part. First we saw seeing heading, so we use head tag for this too. h3 comma. After we see some paragraph content, so we use paragraph tag for this. Yeah. After we have some image here, so we're using image tag. I already copied the image here. In source, we have to copy the path of this image. Just so you can see the output. Yeah, we have to use flex for this too. Seeing in the sideway, like in this, we seeing in this image, we have to use flex. Let's go for the part. Complete this full. Here again a heading tag, we use h3 for this. Copy this item. Now again paragraph, we use paragraph tag for this. And now also we use paragraph for these two items like this. After this, we have some two buttons here, and these buttons have been in side by side. We can also use flex here. Just use division for one button. Button tag and subscribe. And you can use another division. For using div, if using flex, we have to put these two divs in one div. Creating div after this. Yes, and we have to enter this div display style. Sorry, display flex. We can check the output now. Yeah, buttons here side by side. I have just put it in div also. So let's copy that. See this. Yeah, we go for CSS and we have to switch this using flex by creating another div for overall that is. Save this and check the output. That shows in partial table. We have to design a CSS to look closer for this image. You can go for CSS part. Just link this. At least. Have to copy the file. First we have to set the division like class to target this. Here this first division. Setting class as FC first column. We have to target this. Yeah. Dot FC. Yeah, we get targeting this class. Setting background color as white smoke. Save this. Save some save out. To save this here too. Here the color is changed, but it's not visible in audio. I changed it different color to see that. Put for you. Yes, yeah, here it changed into color. We have to use back to normal. This start uses. Yeah. After this, we have to see this image for closer look. Here this with covering 30% of this image, so we only use 30%. You should only press 30%. Yeah, we see 30%. That is not enough, I think. Just change it into 40, I think 40. Just see touch full screen here. Full screen 30 is enough, I think. Set it with, we can set with just 300 or something like that. Which is at 400 pixel. Yeah, it's looking too much close, I think. We just also need to just change to 600. See, see, steady. Yeah, 600 is close enough, I think. Yeah, 600 is close. Here we see some gap here. There's no gap on this. Just align with this padding. Just targeting using class list. We can just list on list. Yeah. So target here. The line. Height margin. Height margin up to 10%. Yeah, 10 pixels. Things changed. See this here. See here. Here we just put this in division and change this like that. Just target this station and say like thing is changed. I think the list content is look like this. Just see it in inspect. Just just there's a padding here is 40%. You have to remove the padding. Just remove the right padding as 40. I think. Just the setup. Just make it. Just use it. We just use another class too. Just remove this. Padding right into 10 pixel, I think. Nothing changed. Again check. We can check the list item. See this time. It's not moving. Here I just use paragraph tag to simply getting this. After you have to see the padding for this button. In this image, button is in blue color. We just have to change the color of this button. So we have to target the button here. Set class pt ptr1. Then we have to target here. Dot ptr1. This background color. Here the button looks blue, so we just see and check. You have to save it here. Has changed it to black color. We have to remove the border here. Move the border here. So we just go to the CSS border, and we have to change the color inside this button. Color white, center white. And the padding for this button you have check here. Yes, side 40 I think, and up to down to on side 42. Just go for padding right at the 40 pixel, and padding left again goes for 40 pixel, and padding top 2 pixel, and padding down bottom again 2 pixel. Just check the output. Yeah, we have to see that little bit space here, and we have to choose margin up to 70, yeah, 50 or 60 something. We just choose margin top as 50 and margin side as 20. Margin right as 30 we think. We just change the top to 4 pixel, and just 4 again. Just save this. Yeah, little bit I think. Let's come a little bit. We just go for this side. We see here, yeah, like little bit space here, so we targeting this div, second div. Okay. Setting class as see a second column. Save this. Dot. Let's see. Margin right as 20 pixel. Just see the output. 20 is too much, I think. I have to read like 40 or something. Save it in HTML. which I cannot expect. Which is margin, and we have to check the margin left. Just remove this. Yeah, and here the image is too much small. Here in this image is look like covering this whole image. It is having 800 pixel for this, I think, and 300 for height. We just set image, setting this like image, and let's go for class img target and switches. Not img. Height is 300 pixel. And width, we just go for 800 for now. Save this. Yeah, change it. Then we have to change the color here for these buttons, and we have to move this to this side. So we just go for this div. Just start with this button. PTM 3. This like PTM. PTM 2. Yeah, we just targeting the button using success. So just click on it. PTM 2. Backup color. Just set it up for borderline. And we just see the padding here. It's like 22, 22, which is enter 22. Padding right as 20 pixel. Padding left as 20. Padding top. We just enter 4 pixel. Padding bottom again 4 pixel. And text color we just as white. Just copy this. PTM 3. Use dot. Just paste here. And you have to set the margin. The margin should look like we have to set it like 400 pixel, 400 or 600, I think. Just enter 800, so 600 is enough. Margin left 600 pixel, and we are having 20 pixel. I think margin left is 20. Margin left 20 pixel. Just see the output. Just saved it. Yeah, we can also just reduce the image size. I think image size height is enough. I think height is enough. We also change the width with like 700. I think no, yeah 700. I think. Yeah, also margin that teachers use. 100 for this. You have to set the padding for the image. I think padding for the image up to 20, and that's left padding margin 20. Now if it's left edges, you have to just like it's closely to this image. We can make more accurate using CSS padding. Yeah, we just created duplicate this image using HTML CSS. Thank you.